So, you want to print t-shirts' essential tools. Starting a t-shirt printing business requires a set of essential tools and equipment to ensure you can produce high-quality printed garments. Here's a list of the key tools you'll need, along with a brief description of their uses. 1. Computer with design software to create or modify t-shirt designs. Adobe Illustrator, CorelDRAW, Photoshop, or free alternatives like GIMP and Inkscape. 2. High-quality printer to print designs onto transfer paper. Types: inkjet printer for heat transfer paper, sublimation printer for sublimation transfers. Requires polyester shirts. 3. Heat press machine to transfer the design from the transfer paper to the t-shirt using heat and pressure. Types: clamshell heat press, opens and closes like a clam and is great for beginners. Swing away heat press. The top plate swings away, allowing better access to the lower plate. Draw heat press. The lower plate pulls out like a drawer, which is useful for safety and ease of use. 4. Screen printing equipment for screen printing method. To apply ink directly to the t-shirt through a screen with the design on it. Components: screens and frames, Squigas screen printing inks emulsion or screen printing stencils, exposure unit or light sourcey washout booth or area for screen cleaning. 5. Cutting machine for vinyl cutting, to cut out designs from heat transfer vinyl. Samples: Cricut Maker, Silhouette Cameo, or a roll-in vinyl cutter. 6. Weeding tools use to remove excess vinyl from around and inside your design after cutting. Examples: weeding hook, tweezers, or a weeding pen. 7. Heat transfer vinyl, HTV, material used for vinyl cutting and heat pressing onto t-shirts. Varieties: there are many types, including standard, glitter, flock, metallic, and reflective. 8. Transfer paper for printing designs that will be heat pressed onto t-shirts. Types: inkjet transfer paper for inkjet printers, laser transfer paper for laser printers, sublimation paper for sublimation printers. 9. Blank t-shirts, the base product on which you print your designs. Varieties: various materials, cotton, polyester, blends, colors, and sizes. 10. Teflon sheets or parchment paper to protect the t-shirt and the heat press's upper platen during the heat pressing process. 11. Ruler, tape measure, and alignment tools to ensure designs are centered and aligned properly on the t-shirts. 12. Heat press pillow or pad to provide an even surface for pressing, especially around seams, zippers, and buttons. 13. Heat gun or flash dryer for screen printing, to cure the ink on the t-shirt so it sets and becomes wash-resistant. 14. Spot cleaning gun for removing screen printing ink mistakes from t-shirts. 15. Conveyor dryer for high-volume screen printing, to cure inks on t-shirts as they move through the dryer on a conveyor belt. Additional supplies and accessories: cleaning agents for equipment maintenance, screen tape for securing screens, palette knife or ink spatula for handling screen printing inks, protective gear like gloves and aprons. The combination of equipment and tools you'll need may vary depending on the printing methods you choose to use in your t-shirt printing business. It's also essential to consider the space available, as some equipment, like a conveyor dryer or an extensive screen printing setup, can require a significant amount of room.